No. Whoa. Ah.
You almost got it.
Oh.
Sorry, I'll let go of the right there. Oh, he's going. It'll come back up.
Oh no!
No, it's not. He's swinging out.
Woo! A lot of guys ask me how I clean my car after the mud bog, and it's pretty simple. You just hit it with the steam hose or go out to your local car wash. Works really good. I had the batteries out, everything off, and I dry it out really good. I blow it off with an air gun. I spray it down with some WD-40, and then it looks like brand new again. And if you let it dry out, no harm. Doesn't matter if you get it wet. I've done this every week so far. I think it looks really good. After you're done washing, you just want to take an air hose and blow everything off really good and dry everything on the truck. Then I like to spray everything down with WD-40. I'll spray over the motor, the ESC, frame, all the bolts, make sure the heads of the bolts won't rust. And then I'll wipe off the excess with a rag, and I'll blow it off with the air hose again. So with 10-15 minutes worth of work, truck looks like brand new again, ready to put the body back on, and ready to go next time. Please subscribe to my channel. Don't forget you can join my Facebook group. That's the Oval RC. We'll see you next time.